Mel's fixing. Something was poking me. I just dumped it out.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
What are you doing today?
We are going for a walk through the store.
We're gonna go walk to the store. What are we after, Mia?
Beach toys.
Beach toys, because there's this thing in the sky today, and it's beautiful and it's wonderful, and it's like
Super warm.
it's super warm today, and it's a perfect, wonderful day to go to the
It feels
beach.
good.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
That's a cool hat, man. Put it on. Let me see.
Okay. But it also feels like sunny.
Feels sunny if you take it off. Okay guys, so the weather is so nice today that I decided that it was time to go for a walk. They have all these cool walking paths, and I decided, you know what, let's walk to the store and go get some beach toys and just hang out at the beach today because it is gorgeous. I think it's like 75 degrees today, which is unheard of here. It hasn't been more than 68 since we got here, so this is by far the nicest day since we moved here. So we're gonna take advantage, go for a nice long walk to the store, and then go to the beach. Find some beach toys?
Let's get a frisbee too.
Frisbee?
Yeah.
I thought we were getting shovels.
Yep, and frisbees.
I think shovels.
Frisbee and goggles.
No goggles. Put the goggles
Frisbee.
back. Okay, let's take a vote. Okay, if you want a frisbee and shovels, raise your hand. That's 3.
Daddy!
Daddy!
Dad, I missed you. Where was you?
What's up, everybody?
Who am I throwing it at?
Me.
She said meet me.
I didn't even catch it.
Dead missed.
Dragons. There you go.
Ooh, almost.
Dragon.
I got it.
Hey Dad, what are you guys building?
We're gonna attempt to make the face of a turtle.
No, it's like that. It's perfect.
But
But the other eye got destroyed. Yeah, the other eye just it's flat now, so I made it a cool eye. Now it has a cool eye. Find it. Feel it. Oh, there's one.
Jordan says this guy's name is Jerry. Hey, Jerry. Our turtle was doing really good, and then his face fell off. You see this side of his face was looking pretty good, but his face fell off, so we quit. Does anybody know what this is for?
A fire pit. A fire pit.
Oh, let's see.
Yay.
Yep, it's a fire pit.
I think that pile of wood is pretty.
Nice. Okay, let's put that pile of wood in there and light it on fire so we can have some hot dogs.
Okay. Okay. When I get the tiny one?
Hold on, baby.
Wait, watch
I'm
your
gonna
eyes.
break
Watch
this.
out. Nope, you're not gonna break that. All right, here goes, guys. It's hard to do with my left hand. I have to switch hands. Can't do it.
No, baby, no, yeah.
Please don't get out. Please don't get out. Please, please, please.
Go, fire, go. Go, fire, go.
Go, fire, go. Oh, tide's catching up on us.
Oh, wow, it is coming in.
Oh, that's a
Water's catching us.
I can make something.
We finally got the fire going. Yay! But the tide is really catching us, guys. Not very far from the tide to our fire. Dinner. Who wants a hot dog? I think they're hot. You want to hold it? Hold it in the fire. Don't touch it to the center. You'll have a sandy dog, okay? I'm letting go. There you go.
I want to steal your hot dog. I want to steal your hot dog. Why? Why? Mine's a cheddar hot dog. Yeah.
Jordan.
Okay.
Should we go?
Yeah.
You better eat your hot dog fast, okay?
Okay, Mike and the...
Because we need to get out of here before we get stuck on the beach. That's too close for comfort, guys. We gotta get out of here. Bye, beach!
Bye. Bye.
Scare you?
Yeah, those guys just went through like nothing.
Whoa, the tide almost got us, you guys. We had to hurry up and get out of there because the water was coming.
Yeah, I said when Mom and Dad were packing it up, when Mom put out the fire, I was like, hurry up, Mom, I don't want to be swept away by the ocean.
The ocean tried to eat us.
And Mia was like, do you really think Mom and Dad would hurt us on purpose?
Nope. We got out of there.
No.
We just were cutting it a little close.
Yeah. We came out.
There was lots of other people still at the beach, so I don't think we were in any real danger. It was just a little too close for my comfort level.
And my comfort.
Anyway, we got out of there on time. We were fine. And did you guys have lots of fun?
Yes.
What was your favorite part? The turtle?
The fire. Making Jerry. Fire.
The fire.
The fire makes water get out and sand gets fire out.
Yep, we buried the fire, huh?
Mom's last hot dog, before the fire went completely out when Mom put out the fire, before that Mom's hot dog cheese was dripping. And I was like, Mom, quit it! You're making the cheese, the cheese is dripping out of your hot dog and it's making the fire go out and I'm cold.
Yeah, and the other thing was you made me get my hot dog out of the fire, and my hot dog was still cold. Thanks a lot, Jordan.
It was still cold.
Yes.
How? It was in the middle of the
You made my hot dog be still cold.
How was it my fault?
Because you made me get it out of the fire. You said it was putting the fire out.
Yeah, because it's...
All your fault. I had to eat a cold hot dog. Thanks a lot. But I still had fun. Did you still have fun?
Yeah.
Fun?
Yeah.
Fun?
Oh, yeah. I don't have
Fun.
a favorite part. All
Oh
the
yeah,
parts of it.
the favorite part was the ocean.
The ocean was so much fun. Did you guys have a good walk?
Fire
Was that a nice
went
long walk?
out with water
A nice
and
big oil.
the ocean
Yeah.
almost.
So what happened was, we didn't talk about this very well. I didn't make it very clear in the story. What happened was, we walked to the store. Daddy picked us up at the store and drove us to the beach. So it made it sort of look like we walked to the beach. That's not really what happened, but that's okay. We still had lots of fun, and it was an amazing day. Yes?
Yeah.
We should do that again as soon as it's warm. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
And we can go swimming.
No. Too cold.
Thumbs up if you want to make this channel strong. Share it with your friends. And good night, YouTube. See you tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now.
Poop. A fire went out with water.